Hi everyone. I wanted to come on today and tell you a little bit about one of the companies I have partnered with, and it is called Art Create Love. I'm going to put their link down below, and also I'm going to put a discount code down below where if you use the discount code you get 10% off, and that's off the total order. Now, they have paint by numbers, which right now I really need this because, as you know, I've just had surgery again, and this keeps me focused on what I'm working on and not on the pain. So I have used their products for a long time, especially when we're camping. I'll always take at least one or two with me because, you know, it's a small package, and you know, you've got the canvas, you've got the paints, and you got your brushes. So it's really a nice thing to do when you're camping. It's a nice thing to do if you are in limited space and you want to decorate your space. So this is the first one I'm working on, and I have several others on the way. But when I saw these ladies, I fell in love with them. And I am still working on it. The way I do it is I always come across the top first, and I will fill in the top so that I'm not dragging my hand across paint. I know a lot of people go in and do all the small ones first. Now, a little secret too. On some of these lighter colors, like say this one and these and this light blue in here, I do put just a little bit of gesso over the number when I know I'm going to be painting that whole area anyway. That way the number will not show through. Another good thing about Art Create Love is they have paintbrushes. They have customized paint by numbers where you can go in there and they will do, you send them a picture of what you want and they will make it into a paint by number and send you the canvas and the paints to paint it with. Now, I don't know for sure yet if they come in different sizes. I haven't checked it. I am going to get them to do one for me of my boys. And I just haven't decided what picture I want yet for them. Maybe I'll wait till after Christmas to order that one. But this one is a 16 by 22. It's very large. And I am going to posterize it by backing it on the same size cardboard and just folding it at the edges and then hanging it in my craft room near my painting station. So as you can see, I still have a lot to do on here, but I also still have a lot of recovery time. So I'm going to be working on it a bit each day. I do some and then I set it aside to let it dry, and then I come back and we'll do some more. But it's easy to do, it's very relaxing, and as you all know, I do painting anyway, but with this, it's a no-brainer. I don't have to draw out my design. I don't have to redo my design 100 times. I just come back and just follow the numbers and keep having fun and relaxing and enjoying. I haven't decided yet how to do these on lives or on videos, because if I do it on videos, I was thinking of putting it to relaxing music, or if I did them on lives, is that something you guys will really come and watch? So comment down below if you want to see me do paint by numbers on lives, or if you would be interested in that. And also check out their website. The link's going to be in the description along with your discount code. I'm in talks with 2 other companies for different types of products, and I'm kind of on the fence with both of them since I've committed to this one. I haven't given them a definite answer yet, but you know, they've all contacted me through my YouTube channel and other social media outlets. So I may give them both a chance just to see how it goes. One of them kind of has hinted at me selling their product, and I don't want to do that because the lady I buy from sells their product. So, I don't think, I don't think we need another person selling the same things. So if there's no selling involved, I will do some videos for them. If there's selling involved, I won't. And just stay tuned, you'll find out. So anyway, guys, let me know in your comments. Would you like to see this in a live? Would you, find it relaxing or boring? Would you like to see it in a live where you can just come in and talk and, have a good time and joke and laugh around? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.